Shame can hit both attention and ego. But what do they do with it? Worlds apart. Attention, I messed up, I feel terrible, I didn't mean to. Their shame says, I did it again and I feel really bad. But give them compassion and they'll try, learn, and grow. They can take accountability once they feel understood and safe. And that's why it is so important to help them understand. Ego, I did nothing wrong. Their shame says if you admit flaw, you're nothing. So they deny, deflect, or attack. They can't take accountability. It threatens their whole self image. The twist, both carry deep wounds, but one moves forward with truth, the other hides behind a mask.